Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok emojis. So you might be trying to figure out how you can use emojis on TikTok. Now, doing this is actually very basic for the most part, and it's actually a very cool thing. So what this basically looks like is if we go and take a look at our particular keyboard right here, or video right here, if you want to go and leave like an emoji, TikTok actually made what you can do is you can tap inside of the keyboard option right here. So come right into here and tap in these two square brackets that you have right here. So the beginning has to be a square bracket and the ending. And there are lots of TikTok emojis you can basically use. Smile just like this. And what will happen is as you do it, you can see my particular emoji change from being an actual emoji. It's now being like, the word to an emoji now. So that's one example of it. But there are tons of emojis you can basically use. If you look at these examples right here, there are different emojis you can use. There's smile, there's happy, there's angry, there's cry. So all you have to do is go and type it in, and these emojis should go ahead and pop up just like this. And you can see the different ones that are available all over the place. And that's basically it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.